there is a personality of Dajjal that will appear before the day of judgment, and he will be a big deceiver, a big liar, and antichrist. And to kill that personality, to finish that personality, and to eradicate that personality from the mankind, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send Prophet Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, again in this world, and he will kill the personality of Dajjal, Dajjalul Akbar, and will rule this world for quite some time, and the whole world will see the light of Islam, our religion, what is taught to us from Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, till Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And we will learn from Prophet Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, that there is only one God and there is only one religion that is taught to us. There is some minute details difference, but overall, the religion, the deen is same, because it is mentioned in the Holy Quran, Inna Deena Indallahil Islam.